year of wearing whatever the hell I want.
Are you ready for bed?
Monday, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It feels so weird to be picking up my camera again, but equally I'm excited. I feel refreshed and I miss talking to a camera. I miss talking to myself. But Woolies just dropped off my grocery order, so I thought I'd give you a little haul. My laptop had 10% battery yesterday afternoon, so I just quickly added a few things I needed and just made my order very quickly. I do think I might have to go back to Woolies tomorrow, grab some more things, but for now I got some ice blocks. I just wanted a nice little dessert, and these I used to have as a kid so much and they're so yum, so I got them. I got some lettuce, ham, tomatoes, and some Turkish bread so that I can have some sandwiches. I already have cheese and mayo and stuff. I really want to get into my fresh ham and salad sandwiches for summer. They're just elite. I wonder if it's out of date. Okay, I need to eat it soon. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you might remember back in my really calorie tracking restricted days, I used to eat this yogurt all the time. It's from Aldi. It's the Greek style strained plain yogurt. It's so high in protein, and I would mix it with protein powder and then top it with Nutri-Grain, strawberries, or any other toppings that I wanted to. And I just feel like because it's so hot in the morning, I don't always want to have eggs on toast and a hot breakfast. And so I got a weird craving for this, so I'm excited. I remember making the meal and I had 50 grams of protein in it. Oh, what a flashback, honestly. I also got 2 of my Muscle Chef meals. This one's my favorite, the crumbed chicken with roast potatoes. The chicken low-key tastes like KFC chicken and potatoes, and the sauce is so yum. And then the Asian chicken stir fry is just a classic. I got a new loaf of bread, some milk, and I also got some strawberry jam because I love strawberry jam toast. So that's my haul. I'm gonna put this all away. I just remembered I need to hang my sheets out, and then I'm gonna have a shower because my hair is so dirty. I'm also still going on the eggnog. Christmas may be gone, but I did bulk buy eggnog, if you can see the other 2 bottles in there. Also, I feel like this might be controversial, but I'm so happy that I'm so happy that hot cross buns are in the supermarket now. It's so early, it is ridiculous, but I love hot cross buns, so no complaining from me. I'm very excited. I'm gonna hang out my sheets, have a shower, wash this hair. I'm so excited. It's a happy wolf day.
Oh my love.
I haven't put makeup on in what feels like forever because I have this random skin condition. I've had it before and I got it to go away, and now it's just randomly come back and I don't know why, and I'm kind of annoyed about it, but it's slowly going away again, and because of that I just haven't been putting on makeup because I feel like that makes it look worse. But sometimes it's just nice to put on the makeup and feel a little bit more human than normal. It is so hot today. I don't know why I've put on a long sleeve outfit, but this little jumpsuit thingy is from Princess Polly. It's my first time actually wearing it. I really love it. I think that 2023 is going to be the year of wearing whatever the hell I want. That's the vibe we're taking into this year. Oh, my forehead's so sweaty. I don't know where Winston is right now, and that is slightly concerning. My parents came and stayed with me last night. They've just gone out, I think, to Bunnings and a tool shop. I don't know, I think my dad wanted to do some shopping, and this is the first time I've seen my new place, which has been really nice. We did lots of shopping yesterday, took them to my new local cafes, and then we went for a sunset swim, had fish and chips for dinner. It was so wholesome. Winston also had his first birthday this week, which is so precious. I actually can't believe that he's 1. Obviously I haven't had him for a full year. There's still 2 more months until we can celebrate our 1 year. But I just can't believe that a year ago today I got told that one of my friends was having dachshund puppies, and I think if I remember correctly it was literally the day after he was born that I put dibs on the black and tan one of the litter. It's just kind of crazy. Time goes way too quickly. Kind of spooky. I've also been really enjoying a more natural mascara look. I was looking back at photos and videos of myself last September, and that was when I was at the peak of my IMV lash serum era. And my eyelashes were so long, and like I was kind of spooked looking at myself. Like I looked scary, but at the time I genuinely thought I looked really good. But lately I've been using the Glossier mascara, which is annoying because I can't buy this again until I'm out of the country. But I just feel like it coats your lashes but doesn't add crazy length or crazy darkness. It kind of just looks like you have an eyelash lift and tint. Say it once and I'll say it again, I'm dripping in sweat. Okay, makeup is all done. Probably went a bit too ham on the blush, but what's new? Winston, what are you doing? These shoe dividers actually came with this rental, and I kind of hated them until I put my shoes in them, and they're actually so great. These are all of my black and white Converse. I'm shocked that they fit 4 shoes in each of them. They're so great. I'm assuming they're from IKEA, but I really rate. I felt like a little bit of a cafe hosting moment this morning. I cooked everyone eggs on toast with a side of hash browns, made everyone coffees with my Nespresso machine and my ice machine, and like, why was it so fun? Why did I really enjoy myself? This is the fit. Where are you? Hello. It is hot. Going to the post office ended up being a bit of a flop. I didn't know that Ozpost had tried to deliver a package, and I only noticed this morning, so I went to go pick it up, and by the time I got there they had already sent it back to be returned to the sender, which is kind of lame, but also like I guess it's technically my fault, but I also like didn't get notified, but I should have been paying attention, you know. So anyway, I've just come home and I saw that Winston had weed on my bed. I don't know why he'd done that because he doesn't do that normally. It's very strange. So I just washed my sheets, and now I just feel like I'm on a washing kick, so I'm doing a lot of washing, and I put my Kindle on charge as well. So I think I just want to sit down and read while my washing washes. I'm gonna plant myself on the couch until my parents come home. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's called Things We Never Got Over. I have seen so many people talk about this book, and I just hadn't read it yet. I did try and start a book. It was called She Gets the Girl, I think, because I wanted to start reading some more like queer novels, and I just couldn't get into it, so I gave up, which I have never actually done on a book. I'm normally too stubborn, and I just want to finish it just because I started it, but I just wasn't getting hooked on it, and because I'm not in a really good reading routine, I needed a book that was just gonna like hook me straight away. So I might go back to She Gets the Girl, but for now I'm just gonna continue reading this one. I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm like hardly even far into it. That was not a good sentence. I'm only 20% in, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So I'm gonna read this. Winston and I are gonna hang out, and that's my riveting update. We got a package. I don't know why, but I always just tell myself that things from Amazon are gonna take forever to get here, and then they don't. Oh, that's so nifty. I'm not good at building things. Oh, so you can put them wherever you want, and then this goes on top. Interesting. That's so fun.
I think this will be good for my skincare routine.
Yeah, me too.
Because sometimes I get very lazy.
If I can't see my skincare, I forget. So it just sits on my bench. This way, it can all be organized. I was fully influenced by Liv, who showed this on her TikTok, and I needed it in my life. No, that's so fun to skin. I enjoy. I'll link it down below. Big fan.
God, I love Amazon.
It is so late, but I told myself I couldn't set up my skincare holder thingy until I got a bunch of things on my to-do list done, and then I watched some Grey's Anatomy, and now I'm here. But before I go to bed, I think I'm gonna stock it all up. I have this whole bathroom to myself, so I do have a lot of storage, but I tend to forget about things if I can't see them. So I might just take a few things out of my drawer and stock it all up. Oh my god, that huge can of dry shampoo fits, which is stunning. This can be my little hair corner. It's kind of fun. I enjoy that. What else? Definitely some claw clips. Maybe a scrunchie or two. Why do I all of a sudden have like not a lot of products to put on? I think that's kind of everything. I've got a little hair corner. That's my day and night skincare, my deodorant, perfumes, and then body spray, sunscreen. I just have some claw clips on the top, but I already store my hair ties and my jewelry over here. I keep this out so I can see it. I guess that would actually fit. That kind of feels a bit stupid, so that can just stay there. Big shout out to Liv for bringing us up to speed, honestly. I'm a big fan. I also actually bought this sticky thing from Amazon. I'm in my Amazon shopping era. It's called an Octo Buddy, and these little silicone thingies stick to mirrors and windows and doors and stuff, which is kind of fun. I filmed a TikTok with it tonight, just stuck on my mirror, and I really enjoyed it. It's much better than setting up a tripod. And then if I don't want to have it on that phone, just change phone cases, which I enjoy. Look at this new phone case I have from Casetify. We love women. Are you ready for bed? Actually, while I'm telling you about all the things I've bought recently, I also bought this lamp from IKEA, and I'm a really big big fan. They come in 2 sizes, and this is the smaller size just because I have a small bedside table because I literally don't have room to have a bigger one. My door already doesn't open properly. It just looks like a little moon, and I like the amount of light that it gives the room. Let me turn my light off. Isn't that so cute? I also really enjoy having a really minimal bedside table. I got this for Christmas and I really love it, and I just feel like it helps make everything a lot more simple, and I love it. My camera's having a really hard time focusing. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, this lighting is so bad. Let me open a window. That's a bit better. I just spent the whole afternoon cleaning my house and I feel phenomenal for it. What do I want to wear? Cycling shorts so I don't get chafed. Hello, sir. Maybe we'll do black and blue. My parents visited earlier this week, and then I had my brother and future sister-in-law stay last night, and I love having my family come and visit. It makes me so happy, but it just means that my house has just been in a constant cycle of clean and then messy, clean and then messy. So I just spent the last few hours doing like a deep clean, probably my first deep clean since I've lived here. I worked up a sweat. It was hard work. I even did my little backyard. I like hosed everything down, and just cleaning a whole house by myself just makes me feel so strong and independent, even though like everyone does it. Like, you're not special for cleaning your house. But I feel special. My issue is Winston hates the vacuum cleaner, and it's a death of me because I vacuum almost every day. I just love vacuuming. I have a Dyson, so it's just very easy to get out, quickly vacuum, put it away. But Winston just hates it so much. Okay, this is the fit. Just old Whitney, because nothing honestly will ever compare. I really haven't been in the habit of wearing my Apple Watch recently. Honestly, since Europe, I haven't really worn it, and every time I wear it, I just get so agitated with it sitting on my wrist. I can't really explain it. It's like overstimulating me, but I've been trying to just wear it for walks and when I go to the gym, and then I normally just take it off for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna head to the beach and go for a beach walk. I love you, bye. When we were saying bye to Winston, get easier, because it makes me so sad, but I know he's fine. It's just sad. Hour walk, 4.5 kilometers, which is the longest walk I've done in a really long time because Winston has such little legs and it's been so hot recently. I just have been going on shorter walks twice a day, but because Winston's really reactive to other dogs, I find the walks are now just really stressful. I'm watching him all the time. I'm keeping my eye out for dogs left, right and center. If there are dogs, I'm detouring away, interrupting our walk to get him away from them, and I'm about to start training with the trainer soon, so this won't be an issue forever. But I just haven't been on a walk on my own that is relaxing and calm in a very long time. Like, I don't remember the last time I did. So as much as Winston needs his decompression walks, I need a decompression walk every now and then. So I felt really guilty for leaving him at home, but he's tired. He's so good when I leave the house. He just sleeps the whole time. And then once I got to the beach and saw all of the dogs on their sunset walks, it made me feel a bit better knowing that he wasn't here and getting stressed about all of the dogs around him. But that was just so nice. I listened to music the whole time as well, which normally that like doesn't distract me enough. I need like a podcast or an audiobook or like a spam from one of my friends, but I just listened to really wholesome, calm music, a lot of Hosier. Is that how you say it? Hosier. And just had some nice, wholesome, quality time with myself. But it is now 7 p.m. because the sun sets so late, so I'm gonna grab some dinner on the way home, feed Winston, and we're just gonna chill on the couch for a bit. I would love to do like a huge journal session tonight. I feel like that walk just had me thinking the whole time about so many things and what I want for this year and what I want to work on and what I'm proud of myself for, and I feel like I need to get it down on paper. So I'd love like less screen time tonight and more reading my book, writing in my journal. This can just be a little date night with myself. I love that for me. My ice machine is making making so much noise in the background, so apologies for that. I took myself out for breakfast. Well, it was kind of like a late breakfast and early lunch. I had a chicken and salad wrap with some chips and a coffee, and I sat there and I did some editing. My AirPods wouldn't connect to my laptop, not sure why, so I just edited in silence and like did as much as I could. And then I went and got a pedicure done. I took my Kindle with me so I could sit and read, and it was so much better. I hate people touching my feet. I just hate feet in general, and sometimes I feel like scrolling on your phone for like 30 minutes or however long it takes is just not the vibe. And I'm really loving my book, as I've said so many times, so I was more than happy to get some reading done. And then I did a quick little grocery shop for the next week, so I thought I'd give you a little haul. I did actually buy myself some flowers, some sunflowers and baby's breath. I feel like a clean house deserves a fresh bouquet of flowers. Do you know what I mean? I also got some laundry detergent. I got a hot chicken, which before I sit down after filming this, shred all of this up and put it in a container so that I can just eat it through the week. I got 2 avocados, a mango. Look how stunning that is. Some broccoli, a few bananas, a little bag of peas and corn. I got a big bottle of milk, and I also got some custard and some vanilla ice cream to go along with that, because custard and vanilla ice cream is elite, and I've decided that's going to be my dessert for the week. I got some Kewpie mayo. I think my plan is to have the roast chicken, rice, peas and corn, broccoli with Kewpie mayo on top. I used to eat that all the time, and it's so good, and I haven't had it in ages. So I bought some chicken breast as well. Just freeze this and use that when the roast chicken is up. Bought some hand soap because my guest bathroom doesn't have soap in it, and I don't know why I haven't bought that sooner. And then I got some AAA batteries because my TV remote is about to die. And that is my grocery haul. A cold battery is bad. I'm gonna pack this all away, prep my chicken. Honestly, maybe make myself a coffee. Is 2:30 p.m. too late for a coffee? Maybe. Right now, Winston and I have been in bed for the last few hours. I don't even know what the time is. It's 10:30 and we got into bed at 8:30, and I've just been reading my book because I'm loving it, and honestly if I could keep my eyes open I would just keep reading it. I'm 79% of the way through, so I'm getting towards the end. I'm kind of sad to finish it soon, but equally I need to know what happens. But I need to go to bed. It's Monday morning tomorrow. I want to start off on a good foot. Start off on the right foot. So we're gonna go to bed, but just wanted to say thank you for watching. It feels so good to be vlogging again, and I will see you next week. Bye.